Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you're having a great day and good morning. Wake you up, okay? So, today's assignment, well, first of all, let's write the date, okay? So, I'm sorry. Today is Tuesday, okay? Tuesday, April 21st, okay? So don't forget the SG. 21st, 2020. There you go. Okay, little quick reminder. Please, you guys, in your notebooks, okay, let me grab an example right here. This is from the last year, okay? So, in your notebooks, you guys, please do not forget the date, okay? Please don't forget the date. Also, capital letters go with red color, okay? Now, let me write right here. So, today we're going to work in your books, okay? So, take out Grammar in Mind student book, okay? Student book. Do not take out the workbook. Check it out. Student book, Grammar in Mind. Open it up in page number 7. On, like I said, page 78, okay? Now, lesson 17. When did you get up? Please be on your books, okay? I will wait for you. When did you get up? So, please read the instructions every time, okay? Now, write the time. You have to look at the little watches in here, okay, to check the time. Also in this one. So, I will only read the examples for you guys, okay, because you have to answer it yourselves. Now, when did the hippo go out? Now, you have to go and look for the hippo. Is this a hippo? Yes. This is not a hippo. Those are cats. And that is a skunk. So you have to go to the hippo's door and check on this. Now go to the watch, okay? You have to look at it and answer. When did the hippo go out? At 12:15. Why? Because you have it in here, okay? You have the answers in here. So question number two, I'm sorry. What time did the cheetahs leave? Oh, check it out. Those are cheetahs, no cats. What time did the cheetahs leave? So again, you have to go to the door of the cheetahs and then check the time. So you have to answer it in here, okay? Also in this one. Moving on. Notice and say. Now, this is a quick review, okay? This is a quick review of the lessons that we already saw yesterday. Now, question words, when, what time, and also prepositions of time. Now remember, okay, you have to look at it. When asks the time, day, and month. What time asks the hour, okay? These ones are different, those two. Remember, when and what time are very different. In, at, on are prepositions of time. So we have when, what time, and also prepositions of time. Now remember, the prepositions of time, okay, are in, at, and on, okay? Now, we use at with the hour, on with the day, and in with the month. So you have some examples in here. So please read them, okay? When did you get up? I got up at 7:30. Now, 7:30, okay? Why? Because you have the watch in here. Also, when, remember, you have to answer it with at. Now, when did he leave for Canada? He left on Sunday. Check out the examples, okay? Next example. What time did she have a snack? She had a snack at 12:30, okay? And finally, what time did they go to bed? They went to bed around 11 o'clock. Okay? So remember, if you have any questions throughout these pages, always go to the examples, okay? To this page, page 78. Now, a little quick review again for questions and answers, okay? So, when and what time? This is like a formula. The formulas I always write to you, okay? Don't forget the formulas. So, when or what time did, this is in past, okay? This is in past. You, they, he or she, these are personal pronouns, okay? Get up. So the question will be, when did you get up, for example, or what time did he get up? This is the formula, remember. And for the answer, you have, for example, he got up at 7, or they got up around 7. So this is the question and this is the answer. Now, when? When is your birthday? The example that I always use. In August. Or what time is your appointment? At 8, okay? So different questions require different answers, okay? So I will write down the formula for you, this one, okay? I will write down for you. Now, it says, oh, this is page 79, by the way, 79, okay? Now, guided practice. Circle all the correct answers. Please, if they are correct, circle it. Like you can see, okay, as you can see, the answer in this one is when and what time. It can be both, okay? When did Susan go to school, or what time did Susan go to school? Now you have to answer it. I will help you with this one, okay? She went to school. You check the answer, okay? So this is an hour, okay, right here. It is an hour. So you have to think, should I use at or on? Since it is an hour, the answer and the correct answer is she went to school at, okay? At. So when did Susan go to school, or what time did Susan go to school? She went to school at 8:30, okay? So you have to answer these ones too. Check if this is the time, the hour, or if it's the month, or if it's a day, for example. So you should use on, at, or in, okay? Next exercise, right here. Fill in the blanks. When did the hippo leave her room? Again, you have to look at this, okay? You have to number 80. Here we go. It says, unscramble the words and rewrite the sentences. Now, this is pretty simple. You guys know how to unscramble the words, okay? So for this, I will write down for you the little formula, okay? I will write down for you the formula that we saw before. So you can pause the video and watch the formula, okay? Okay, so the formula, get ready, okay? So it will be when or what time, okay? Plus, I'll circle it in a row. That, in the book, you will use this a lot, okay? So when the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. You need to know your personal pronouns, okay? But I will repeat them to you. Ready? And you know them. I know you know them. So you can say it a lot. Repeat after me, okay? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, oh no, okay, right here, and they. Okay, remember, personal pronouns. So we will put one in here, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they, any of them, okay? It is no difference indeed. Any personal pronoun plus the verb, okay? Verb. Well, verb. Also, you have to know, it is a question. It is a question. So we have to add question mark, okay? Do not forget the question mark, okay? I always repeat it to you, so don't. Ready? So we will write one example, okay? Just one example. So I'll erase. Okay, here we go. With when? When, then, did. Did, let's choose when did Jimena, when did Jimena dance, okay? When did Jimena dance? Remember, question mark, okay? So, in the exercise, you have to unscramble the sentence, okay? So use this formula to follow it, okay? Ready? Okay. So, in the exercise, like I said, you will unscramble. For example, you, when did go to bed? The answer is, and the question is, when did you go to bed? Okay, so unscramble that. Moving on, we have circle the wrong words and correct them. Now, please, you have to read to this, okay? You have to read this. The reading time, okay? 2:05, 2:05, okay? Repeat after me, 2:05, 2:10, 2:13, okay? You always mispronounce that. 13, 2:13, 2:30. It sounds very different. 13:30. Or it can also say 2:30, 2:30 or 2:30. Now, 2:45, 2:45 or 2:45, 2:45, okay? Now, 2:50 and 2:58, okay? So, number one, did when you come home. What is incorrect in here? So remember, use your formula for this. When and did are not in the correct place. You have to switch them, okay? Remember to switch them. So did and when. When did, that is the correct answer. Did when? No. When did you come home? I came home at Sunday. You have to check what is incorrect, okay? I will help you with this one. I came home at Sunday. This is not correct because at is only for the hour. I will not tell you this. I will not tell you the answer. This is incorrect, okay? So you give me the answer. And you have to answer these too, okay? Next exercise, right here. Fill the blanks with when, what time, or at, in, and around, okay? Around. I will explain around. So, if I say 2 p.m., around 2 p.m. means around it, okay? So, it can be 2:30 or maybe 2:50, okay? So, around it, around 2, 2:50 and 2:30 are around 2. Now, It is a conversation, okay, between Mom and Jason. So Mom says, wake up. It's 8:30. You're late for school. When did you go to bed yesterday? And Jason said, I went to bed blank 1 o'clock. So in the blank, in the space, you have to choose add, in, or around, okay? Why add, in, or around? When and what time are only for questions. Add, in, around are for answers. I repeat, when, what time are for questions. Add, in, and around are for answers, okay? So, next page. It says, look at Brad's timetable. Make questions and answer them, okay? So this is actually pretty simple. It says, look at Brad's timetable. Make questions and answer them. So you have his scheduling here at 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 8:30, 4, and 7:56, okay? So what time did Brad get up? And you have to answer in here, okay? He got up at 7:30. Use this to write questions and to answer them. Next one. What did you do today? Make questions and answer them. This is about you, okay? Use this to answer this, okay? This is Brad's and this is yours, okay? This. So, finally, this review. I will not help you with that one. You have to grammar in mind, but this time will be the workbook, okay? Grammar in mind again, but workbook. Now, open your book on the page 34, okay? Right here, 34. Now, let's move on. It says, question words. When, what time, and prepositions of time, okay? So, the question word, when, as the time, day, and month. I already explained that to you, but read examples if you need. That's fine. The question word, what time, as the hour. Okay? It's a review like it said, a review. Now fill in the blanks, questions and answers. Okay? So the questions, you can use the formula in here as well. Okay? You can use it. So it will simplify the work. It will be simpler. And for the answers, remember we use in, okay, right here, in, on, or at, depending on the question, okay? Now, write and circle the correct word. So you have to write in here what time or when, and choose what is correct, okay? For example, what time does she get up? She got, since this is in past, you have to use did, okay? So what time did she get up? She got, remember, past. She got up at 6:50, okay? This is an hour, so use at. And answer this as well, okay? So, do not forget this one, okay? This is from the exercise A, okay? Now, exercise B. Unscramble the words and complete the sentences. Again, use the formula to answer this, okay? Use the formula to answer this. And letter C. Choose the wrong words and correct them. Now, when did you eat ice cream? One, we have number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, you have to choose which one is incorrect, 1, 2, or 3. When is correct. Did, that is correct too. So, 8. But why? Why? ¿Por qué? Because, because this is a verb in past and we do not use the past one, okay? So number 3, eat, okay? Eat. So answer these two. And finally, look at the pictures and answer the questions, okay? When did you get up? So question number 1 goes with picture number 1. Question number 2 goes with picture number 2. And finally, question number 3 goes with picture number 3. Question 3 with picture number 3. Okay, now. Okay, so for the class, that was it for Grammar in Mind, okay? So remember to use the book, student book and workbook. If you have any questions, again, I will be in Edmodo answering your questions from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., okay? But you can upload the pictures of your classwork till 7 p.m. You will have no homework because this is how we work with books, okay? So tomorrow you will have homework, but not today, okay? So I want to play a little, the spelling question, right? So I will spell 3 words for you, and you will, I will write them down and you will spell them, okay? 3 words from the spelling bee, okay? Number 1 will be accident. Accident, okay? Accident, 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 okay? So now you stand up and repeat after me, okay? So accident, accident, ACCIDENT. Now you, okay? Here we go. Next will be famous. Famous, okay? Famous. 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 Now you do it. Famous. So you give a step and you go FAMOUS. Famous. Okay? And final word would be victim. Victim. Okay? VICTIM. Victim. Okay? So those are the 3 words from the spelling bee that I want you to work on. Okay? Now, let's play a little game, okay? So, it will be like flashcards, okay? We used to play a lot of flashcards. So, I made a little cards for you guys. I made a little cards for you so you can guess. Okay, so here's the deal. I will be here, of course, acting, okay? I will run or I will eat or something. And you will tell me tomorrow in a comment, okay? The 3 words that I am doing, okay? So for example, okay? And you in the comments will tell me, Miss Marta, verb number 1, eat, okay? So for example, number 2 will be, okay? And in the comments, you'll tell me, Miss Marta, number 1, eat, number 2, fight, okay? So tomorrow, not today, okay? Tomorrow I will give you the answers, okay? So you comment today and the answers will be in tomorrow's video, okay? So number 1, here we go. Okay. Okay, this is simple. Okay, number 1. Now, number 2. Okay, I'll show you the pictures. Number 1 is this. Okay. Number 2. Okay. Number 2. Okay. No, did I show you number 2? Okay. Okay. Number 3. Woohoo! Bravo! Woohoo! Okay. Number 3. Right here. Okay. have number 4. Um, it is not it. No it. Okay, I'll show you. This is the picture, okay? And final one. Okay. Okay. So, those are verbs and you have to tell me the answer, okay? So, this is it for today's class. I am very happy to talk to you again, kids, okay? So, goodbye. I love you very much. Thank you for your patience, and to your mommy and daddy, say thank you. Please be nice. Do your homework, okay? And I repeat, if you have any kind of questions for me, I will be right here for you answering them, okay? Now, so I'll see you tomorrow, guys.